Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by deleting the beta configuration profile so your device stops receiving test updates. Open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management. Tap the iOS beta profile and choose Remove Profile. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear cached beta flags and reconnect to Apple's public update servers. Make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network and have at least 50% battery. Otherwise, updates and restores can stall or fail. Now you'll move from removing the profile to actually installing the public iOS version. After restart, check Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update. If the public build appears, tap Download and install. If it does not, connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to install the latest public firmware. Backups are critical here. Make a fresh iCloud or local backup so you can restore data if you need to perform a full restore rather than an over-the-air update. Finish by confirming the device now runs the public release and restoring your backup if necessary. If the OTA update fails, put the iPhone into recovery mode and use Finder or iTunes to force an install. This clears residual beta components. If the phone won't exit the beta channel, a full erase and restore from your backup usually resolves it. If problems persist, such as activation errors or repeated beta reinstallation, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.